Okay, so good evening, everyone. Today we are from Group 3. We are going to explain on how to fix ITS Dosen data visualization. So this is the data that we are presented with. It shows the categories of the vectors or Dosen in ITS. There are bar charts and also there's this pie chart. And we are trying to visualize how to optimize this chart.
So in the third page, we can see the information is about community service. So on the left side, there is a bar chart about community service. For example, in 2018, there is 360%. In 2019, 46, 2020, 30, 64, 364, 2021, 377, and so on. So what we suggest here, we change from the bar chart to line chart. So we know where is the peaks and where is the falls. For example, in here, the peaks in on 46, 460, and the falls 224.
In this part, we have a pie chart of the amount of lectures in ITS and their less education. In the pie chart, there is three kind of information. There is doctor, magister, and bachelor. What we can fix from this chart is making it into a bar chart. The reason for it is to see the gap between the categories more clearly and see how different it is compared to another. From the pie chart, we cannot see how many is the bachelor graduate lecturer, but in the bar chart, although it is quite small, but we can see the actual number of it. Um, the bar chart doesn't have to be vertical in this order to see all of it. And if you want to put it in a website beside other graph, I would remove the lines and make them closer to each other.
So for this page, in this case is about the how we suggest for this publicity for these two application between Google Scholar and Scopus. And what we suggest is I think or we think is better to use line chart because when smaller chains exist, line graphs are better to use than the bar one. It also can be used for compare chains over the same period of time for more than one group. So it's sweet for this case because this is a timeline of the lecture's publication.
Okay, so that is all from us. Thank you for listening.